dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair that catch your eye. I have been blind. The lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's no